All right, I'm here with Jim and Catherine Holloway here in Beachwood, and we just finished an exterior paint job for them and wanted to ask them a couple questions. First off, wanted to know how you heard about Color Renovation.
We received a flyer and we kept it because we were looking to get the house painted, and we liked the flyer.
Okay, great. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate our paint job here?
I'm going to give it a 10 plus.
It was wonderful.
It was wonderful.
Absolutely so
The job was good.
professional and thorough and detailed, and our house is just brand new.
It looks brand new. We anything we asked them to do, they would do it. No questions. They're clean. They're neat.
We had some challenging windows
We had
and
some challenge, right.
wear and tear, and it just like it's all resolved, like it's washed away.
Great.
Yeah.
And how likely would you be to recommend us to friends or family?
Oh,
She's already posted.
200%.
She's already posted something, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you so much for using us, and appreciate your time.
It was great.
Our pleasure.